Why hasn't Karuru delivered the letter today? Hi, Dis. Karuru is injured. It can't deliver the letter today. Oh my God. I think I need to go to his home to get the letter. You walk straight past the 10 trees. Cross the bridge is Karuru's home. Thank you, Officer Muyu. 1, 2, 3. We passed 3 trees now. So how many trees are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 more trees to pass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We passed 7 more trees, plus the 3 trees passing by. How many trees have we passed by? Let's count all the trees together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more cross a bridge and come to the Karuru's home. This is the 3-color bridge to Karuru's home. But the 3 planks are missing. You need to put them in the order of colors. Red, green, blue. This is the color order of the 3-color bridge. Let's go on and look down. Red. There is one missing. In sequential order. There is a green missing. Blue. Guessing what color is next. It's red. Green. Need one more. Blue. You are great! The 3-color bridge was repaired. Let's go find Karuru. Hi, Karuru. I came to get my letter. Your letter is placed in the box in row 3, column 5 of the cabinet. What is a row and what is a column? Look, the trajectory of the plane flying over. This is the line. The trajectory of the plane falling is the column. It turns out that this is the row and column. We need to find the box in row 3 and column 5. First row, second row, third row. We want to find the 5th column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The letter is in the box where the 3rd row and the 5th column cross. My friends, my home is in the 3rd column of the 2nd row. Can you help me find out where is my home? Don't forget to leave a message in the comment section and let us know your answer. Bye bye.